Guys, this is the Cuco's Mojito created by my girl, Bad Birdy, okay? Awesome mixologist. Beautiful. All right? So let's check this mojito out. And her granddad taught her this one. So he comes with 3 sugar cubes followed by some soda water. You know I can't get it right. Then you muddle that, get that nice and mixed, follow that up with some lime, okay? And watch her cut lime, you know? She, like mixologist, everything looks super classy, super skilled. Fine, look like she can cut her fingers off, right? But no, she's a master mixologist, is what they do. Give that a muddling after she did the sugar and the soda water, okay? Now let's add some more stuff in there. Follow it up with some Cuban rum. Beautiful. Havana Club. Get that in there. And then she used 3 different kinds of mint, okay? I didn't know there were all those different kinds of mint, but that's what she did. And she's shaking this up, getting it nice and right. Pour it into glass, okay? Stir it up a little bit, okay? And now we gotta come behind that with a little bit more ice, topped up with soda water. And that's the mojito, okay? We'll sexify it a little bit. Put in some mint. And we are good to go. And there you have it, the Cuco's.
Yes.
You pronounce it.
Cuco's Mojito.
Translate Cuco's.
Cuco, that's my grandpa's name. So this is the traditional way he taught me how to make a
She's
mojito.
Cuban, by the way, okay?
Yes, it's his favorite rum. This is a Cuban rum.
You 100% Cuban?
Yeah, both my parents.
A Cuban? Okay, true. So you speak Spanish?
Yes.
Okay. It's supposed to be C, just
Claro
checking.
claro
okay?
que sí, claro que sí.
You don't try to show off now, it's too late. Cool. And for those of you who don't know, okay, a little bit of history. The mojito was created in Cuba. You know that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you sure? I don't know if your granddad told you that. I don't know what he told her. You see what I'm saying? I got to double check, all right? Yeah, but the mojito was out of Cuba. The dude who really kind of made it famous was Ernest Hemingway. There's a bar in Cuba that he used to hang out at that I'd love to go sometime to in Havana.
Right.
The mojito and the daiquiri, you know?
And then there's the Hemingway daiquiri.
Yeah. A lot of good stuff out of Cuba. Yeah, get down there. All right? Guys, anyway, I was going to ask you how you came up with this, but Granddad did all the work.
Yes.
Did he use 3 different kinds of mint as well?
He didn't use 3 kinds of mint. He uses yerba buena, but I had extra mint in the garden, so, you know, I wanted
So you have a garden?
Mm-hmm.
What else in there?
Some really hot chilies.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, like marijuana in there?
No.
Okay.
Not that kind of yerba buena.
Not that kind of garden, okay? Just to keep it legal. We ask you off camera. All right, listen, go check out on Instagram, okay? @bad_Birdy, all right? Stay tipsy, friends, okay?